Hello, today we're going to do Module 5, Lesson 20. Our objective is that we're going to recognize and show that equivalent fractions have the same size, but not necessarily the same shape. Sounds interesting to me, doesn't it? Okay, first we're going to start with our application problem. Max ate two-thirds of his pizza for lunch. He wanted to eat a small snack in the afternoon, so he cut the leftover pizza in half and ate one slice. How much of the pizza was left? Draw a picture to help you think about the pizza. Oh dear. Pizza? That sounds like we need to be hungry, huh? Okay, well, it says we're supposed to think about pizza. Let's make a pizza. So here's Max's pizza. It says he ate 2/3 of his pizza for lunch. So let's make 2/3. So here's 1/3. Cut it into thirds. Then I'm going to show by coloring what he ate. So he ate that piece, and he ate that piece. So that's 2/3 that he ate for lunch. Okay. So then what did he do? He wanted to eat a small snack in the afternoon, so we cut this piece right here, the leftover pizza, in half, and he ate one slice. So we cut it in half, and then he ate this. Okay, so this is the one he ate. How much of the pizza was left? Draw a picture. Okay, so we got to figure out what this is. Well, I cut this third in half. I'm not sure what that piece is, so let's cut all the thirds in half, just in our brain. Okay, so if I cut all the thirds in half, what unit fraction do I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's something sixth. How many pieces are left? Just one. Easy peasy, right? Because we have to cut the rest of the pieces in half and it becomes very clear. Okay, so draw a picture, or how much of the pizza was left. We need to write the statement. Max had 1/6 of his pizza left. Good. Okay, moving on. Oops, we need to clear this. Now, for this next section, I want you to think about linking cubes. So here's my linking cubes. I have 3 red and 2 blue. Right now, I'm only going to use 1 blue. And I am going to make a model. The model that I make is going to look like this. Okay? So here's my first model. I'm trying to put in the picture for you. Right there. Sorry. There it is. Okay, so let me draw that. So, get my pencil, and I want red. I have a red cube here. I have a red cube here. I have a red cube here. In the middle of these 2 red cubes, I'm trying to find my pencil, I have a blue, red, or a blue cube, blue linking cube. Right? This is what mine shows. Okay, wonderful. Now, what fraction does the blocks show? What is my unit fraction? My unit fraction is 1/4 because I have it cut into fourths, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the size of this fraction is going to be what? What is my whole? My whole is going to be 4/4, right? Okay, now what if I make a picture like this? This is my next model. I used the same exact linking cubes, and now I have, let's draw what I have. I've got this over here, and then I've got my red pen. I have a linking cube here, a red one. I have a linking cube here, and a linking cube here, don't I? So what is my fraction, my unit fraction? What is it cut into? There, this picture is cut into 1/4, and what is my whole? my whole would be 4/4. Is that correct? Well, I just made the same fraction, but they're different shapes, aren't they? This was long and skinny, and this one is a square. Okay? Now, let's see what happens if I do this. I'm going to clear this first. This is my new model. So now let's draw it. So I have a red here, and then I have a red diagonally, and then I need blue. Okay, here's what I have. Blue here, and a blue here. All right, so now what is my unit fraction? It is 1/4 because it's cut into 4 pieces. What would be the blue parts of this fraction? Well, how many 4s are blue? 2 are, right? Okay, now what happens if I do this? Whoops. What happens if I do this? I change the shape. So now I have, where's my pencil? 2 blues right here. And I have a red right here. And I have a red right here. What is my unit fraction that the whole piece is cut into, my whole model? Well, it's 4s because there's 4 pieces. How many are blue? 2 4s are still blue. Alright, but look at this. This shape is not the same as this shape. But they're equal, or equivalent. Because I still used the exact same blocks, didn't I? As we go through our homework, remember you're using the exact same items to make the different shapes. Okay? Alright, good luck. See you soon.